Hello everyone, it's Lizzie and welcome to my channel. So today is going to be an unboxing of the Marc Jacobs small tote bag. I've wanted this bag for a really long time, but decided to just wait and see if I could get it on like a particular discount. And so I did. I got it for 20% off from my bag. I will have a link to the website in the description box down below, but they're always doing 15% off there, 20% off here, and they don't have that many brands on the website. I believe it's mainly Marc Jacobs, Coach, Tory Burch, Kate Spade, and maybe a few other brands. But yeah, I've been wanting this bag as like a work bag, and I finally got it, and I'm super excited to try this new bag, to start wearing this new bag for my new job that I just got, and I start, whoops, already dropped it, very soon. So I've removed all, it came in this like massive box, and I've just removed that just because it was just so bulky. But this is the bag, as you can see, and I'm so excited about it. And voila! So I got the black canvas, as you can see, and it just says, of course, the tote bag, Marc Jacobs, and you can also wear the bag like this as well. So I was debating whether to get the canvas or the leather. Leather is a bit more expensive, of course, because it is leather, but I decided to go for the canvas just because I'm only going to be going to the office 2 days a week, and hopefully no more than that. And so I don't particularly, it's not something that I'm going to be using on an everyday basis because I'm working majority of my time from home. So I wanted this bag for when I do go into the office, and just to be a bit more carefree with it. And so I decided to go with this one, and like I said, I got it for 20% off, so I was super excited about that. It does come with a strap, which I'm going to take all of this packaging off so you guys can see. And I believe you hook it over here. So there's like a hook, if you can see that, and then you hook, and there you have it. How cute! I love it. It's super spacious. What I love about this is that it's not like a really huge bulky bag. I've been struggling to find the perfect work bag. Like, I was wearing the, what is it called, the Matt and Nat backpack, which is like a vegan leather brand. Terrible. That thing frayed. It's just not good quality. And then I was using like a really cheap bag from like ASOS, and so I've gone through so many different bags because I haven't been able to find anything for what I need. And I fit quite a bit in my bag, especially because I bring like my lunch and the laptop and my iPad and things like that. So I want to quickly show you guys what actually fits in here. Look how spacious that is. So cool. Okay, so the first thing I have here is my laptop. I actually just ordered another laptop, but it hasn't come through yet. So I've got my laptop, which is kind of dirty, but it's just my MacBook Pro. So that fits in here perfectly. And how big is the MacBook Pros? Are they 13 inches? 13, they're around 13 to 14 inches, and that fits perfectly. And then I have my iPad, and that can go in there just fine, as you can see. And then what else do I have? Okay, I have my not toiletry bag, like a cosmetic bag, which is all distorted because I've overfilled it. Let me take some stuff out. So my cosmetic bag, which is from Kate Spade, fits in there perfectly. Let me add that in. There you go. And then what else? A hairbrush, and this is just from Tangle Teaser, that can go in there. My wallet, which is my Gucci Marmont wallet that I have done an unboxing on, that can go in there. And then my Louis Vuitton 6-key ring holder, that can also, oh, this thing's getting heavy. can also fit in here. And then what else could go in here? And then my phone, of course, just drop that in there. And then a perfume. This is from Kayali. It has pink pepper and Utopia vanilla, so that can go in there. And some hand sanitizer as well. And as you can see, I have so much space. This is such a big, but like, it's a small but big bag. Like, it's not overly, you know, it's not like a massive tote, but it fits so much product in there. And that, you've just seen me just throw things in here. I could add an umbrella, which, you know, here it rains all the time. Dump an umbrella in there, it's going to fit. And so I love that it's so small but mighty, and I love that about it. But I will say is that as I've just added a laptop and an iPad and just a bunch of other things in here, this thing is heavy. It is very, very heavy, and I most likely will add my lunch in there. So it's definitely a heavy bag. And so I'm not really sure how I'm going to wear this, but I feel like if I wore this on my shoulder, it would probably hurt quite much, like a bit, because it's just so packed up with things. And then to go with this bag, I also purchased an insert, or a bag organizer actually, and I picked this up from Amazon, and it looks just like this. So this goes inside here. So if I open this up, I take this slot, and it has like Velcro. See if I can. Okay. Have I done this right? Okay, so this is just how the bag organizer looks, and I wanted to get this because I am someone that, you know, if I just throw everything in the bag, I won't be able to see anything, and that is so frustrating, especially when I'm looking for my keys. It's always when I'm looking for my keys or when I'm looking for my card holder or wallet. It always happens. So I'm going to take everything out here and see if I can fit the exact same product with this bag organizer. But if you didn't want to get the organizer, just know it fits a ton of stuff, but it's heavy. It's super, super heavy. So this is what it looks like with the bag organizer. As you can see, it's black on black, so I don't know if you can, how well you can see that, but I feel like this bag holds its own shape, so you don't necessarily need this bag organizer, but for me it's just so that I can see everything that I have in there, and I can get to certain items quickly, like my keys and my wallet and things like that. So I'm going to quickly add the same items in here and see if they fit. So I've put everything inside the organizer. I will say that having an organizer does mean you have less space to work with. So I've managed to fit everything in there, but it's just that it feels a bit more choked up in here. So I don't know if you can see that, but I can see less items because it's just a bit more tight and constricted, and I have put a lot of product in here. But if I were to take out my cosmetic pouch, I could probably see things a bit more, but you can see my laptop still fits, my iPad still fits, and all my other essentials still fit in here with the organizer. So having an organizer is not a must. The bag will still keep its shape whether you do or do not have the organizer, but if you're somebody that likes to be able to see where things are, you like to have different pockets for things, and you're someone that, you know, like me, my keys always are at the bottom of my bag and I can never ever find them, the bag organizer is definitely a great option for the Marc Jacobs tote. But overall, I'm really happy with this bag. I have heard that it attracts a lot of lint, so I'm not excited about that. But I do have a lint roller, but it's just not ideal to be carrying a lint roller all the time with you, so I'm going to try and be careful, but I know it's kind of inevitable that it's going to attract a lot of lint. But overall, I really like this bag. I think it's so chic. I think it's going to go with all my outfits. I'm so excited about that, and it's honestly such a good price. I believe it retails for £200, and I believe around $200 US as well. I'm going to have it here on the screen, and like I said, I was able to get 20% off, so for me that was an even better deal. And the they're always having different, you know, sales and discount codes and things like that. So I'm really happy I picked this up. And if I don't want it to, you know, to be flashy and have the whole logo, I could always wear it like this as well, which I think is super cute. But overall, I'm really happy with this bag. Let me know what you think. Do you have the Marc Jacobs tote? I'm considering getting the, is it extra small? Because that one I could probably use more on like on the weekend, because this bag specifically is going to be for work. So let me know if you have this bag, if you love it, if you hate it. How is the upkeep, especially with the lint? And yeah, I think I'm going to end this here, but thank you guys so much for watching. Definitely stay tuned for more unboxings coming your way. And yeah, I will have all the information and the bag organizer in the description box down below if you are interested in purchasing it. I just picked it up from Amazon. You can literally get whichever one you want. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.